back to the channel Brazen Babe. So today we are going to be cooking up some lemon pound cake lip gloss. So let's get started. So I did go ahead to grab my bowl that has already the Versagel inside, and I am going to go ahead to sanitize my hands. You know, cleansingness is next to godliness, you know. So I'm going to go ahead to put the hand sanitizer on, and then I'm going to go ahead to put on my gloves, and we're going to jump right into it. So like I already said, today we are going to be making lemon pound cake lip gloss. I already put the Versagel inside the bowl. I already have my tubes ready to go. I did go ahead to set the tone with the strawberry pound cake candle from White Barn, and now we're going to go in with the coconut oil and make sure it is fractionated. If you do try to make the lemon pound cake lip gloss, make sure it's fractionated coconut oil. The Versagel that I do use is from TKB Trading, only because it is vegan and cruelty free, and it's cheap, you know, like it is cheap. So, you know, I went with TKB, and now we're going to go ahead to cook up the Versagel and the coconut oil together and listen to some music. So now you are going to see me to start whipping it together. You gotta whip it like you scrambling eggs and you about to throw the cheese in it. You gotta whip it. You gotta put it together. Whip it real good. Whip it. Whip it real good. Okay? Because the last thing you want is for the Versagel and the coconut oil to separate, and then you try to throw it in the tube, and then you see the Versagel on top, and then you see the coconut oil at the bottom, like you didn't whip it. You're supposed to whip it real good. We're cooking it today. We cooking it up. You cooking it up. Cook it, and cook it good. Now back to the music. You see how that's all together? It's all mixed together. That's how you do it. And now we are about to go in with the pigments and the flavoring oil. So I do use a pigment called monochrome yellow, which is going to give it like the yellow bright tint. It will still apply clear, but your lip gloss will obviously be yellow. So we're going to go in with monochrome yellow just to give it like the yellow look on the outside. And then we're going to put in the white liquid pigment, so it won't be like a bright yellow. It'll be like a calm, like more like a pastel yellow. You guys are going to see like as I go on, and you're going to see like the color that I'm trying to portray, because if you just put this monochrome yellow inside, it's like more like a gold yellow, and that's not the color that I was going for. But you'll see. I'm going to mix in the monochrome yellow first. Mix it in real good. You got to cook it in there. You got to cook it in there real good. And then you're going to see me put in the yellow, not the yellow, the white liquid pigment. like I said before in like any of my previous videos that I had to use like the white liquid pigment, I do go ahead to take out some from the top, because like with TKB, with this liquid pigment, it's like at the top it's like a clear liquid, like it got separated from the white. So I take like the clear off until I get to the white, and then that's when I put the white inside of the bowl. But I only use like a little bit, because if you use too much, it's going to ruin the whole thing. So you guys start off small. So I start off with like a small little dot, you feel me? Catch the vibes. And then if I need more, then that's when I put some more. But that's the color that I was going for. That's the color of like lemon pound cake to me. So that's the color that I was going for. So I'm happy with it. And now we about to go in with the flavoring, because you know me, I like to make sure that y'all gonna taste each and every flavor that I cook up for y'all. So I'm putting in 4 to 5 drops easy of this lemon pound cake, honey, because you gonna taste this. Okay? And then that's when I'm gonna mix it up, and we gonna listen to some music. So while y'all, when I was mixing it, right, I was thinking, because like this really remind me of eggs. Like earlier I was like, yeah, like you gotta mix it, like you gotta throw the eggs with the cheese, you feel me? You gotta mix it up. But while I was mixing it, I was really thinking about eggs, and then I started getting hungry, y'all. Then I started thinking about like a bacon, egg, and cheese on a croissant, or do I want it on a bagel, or an English muffin with some hash browns? Child, I'm hungry. But I'm gonna finish this lip gloss tutorial for you guys. So I did go ahead to take off the gloves, put my new gloves on, grab my pipette, grab my syringe. Make sure that, well, with me, I'll use a 60 milliliter syringe all the time, because the bigger the better, the quicker, you know, you gotta be quicker than that. Like it gotta be quick. So I use the 60 milliliter syringe, and then for the pipette, I use a 3 milliliter. I cut off the top, cut off the bottom, attach the pipette to the syringe, go on and suck it up. Go on, suck it up, and throw them in their lip gloss tube. Y'all, when I tell y'all lip gloss is so messy, like lip gloss is so messy, so make sure that y'all always got your handy dandy paper towel, just so you can wipe off the top of the pipette right before you fill up the lip gloss tube. And that's the color that I was going for. It's like it's not a too bright of a yellow, it's more like it's a light yellow, but it's like a pastel kind of yellow. That's what I wanted, because when you look at lemon pound cake, it don't look bright. It look like a little calm little yellow. Yeah. So it does apply clear, and it tastes just like lemon pound cake. Like, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and speed up the process, and then I'm going to show you guys me putting on the tops of the lip gloss, and then me putting the lids on the lip gloss. But moving on, so I did go ahead and take off those gloves, put on some new fresh gloves, so fresh and so clean. And we're gonna go ahead to throw the tops on there and then throw the lids on there. I did, because usually in my previous videos you would see me like wiping off the top of the lip glosses. But I just thought that it was like a waste of time. But if y'all want me to, I can put those back inside of the lip gloss videos, because I usually wipe off the top with the sensitive Pampers baby wipes, just so it won't be like sticky. I still did it, but I just cropped it out just to save you guys time. But if y'all want me to put it back in there, just let me know in the comments below. It doesn't take no time, I just record the whole thing anyway. But yeah, now we're gonna put the lids on, and then that's when I'm gonna show you guys the final product. And it's a wrap, you guys. Like, that's a pound cake for you. That's the final product. Thank you so much for watching. If you do want to purchase, it will be inside of the description box below. Like I said, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, Brazen Babes, bye.